Hi, good morning everybody. This is the last class for this week because now just we are going to face lockdown for our district. So now tomorrow we won't be available. Today I have brought to you false friends deceiving familiarity. Meaning thereby, in last classes I gave you many root words. I mean, all the roots might have helped you in finding out the meaning of some words. But all the roots may not help you every time. For language learner, particularly for learning a foreign language, it's a nightmare for some people to know the words because some of them are very false. I mean, they are supposed to be false friends. Meaning thereby, what you assume possible, the meaning of that word may not be the same. Take example, if we talk about indifferent. Indifferent, so according to the word, it seems that in making it negative, indifference is similar to not different. But it doesn't mean not different. You see, it doesn't mean not different. So what is something different? What you expect possible that meaning not meant to be the same. That's why actually some of these negative roots may deceive you. We have been taught that if we put in, these may make words negative because these all are negative prefixes. But many times it is not the same. So it is said to be false phrase. So it means, indifferent means uncaring, not interested, or having no sympathy. You see the meaning different. Pardon? Not interested. It is not interested or having no sympathy. In the same way, some words are coming like this indifferent. Now you see here, disinterested. Disinterested. So this is also making the word negative. But now disinterested means unbiased. Unbiased means impartial. Meaning is something different. In the same way, ingenious means, you see here, clever, sometimes cunning, and mixture of both is shrewd. So meaning goes different. Insufferable. You see, so sufferable, another, and now here is insufferable. Meaning now goes unbearable or intolerant. Unbearable or intolerant. You see, so meaning was something different. Like you see, the word is coming very known to you. Studied, and now you see here, unstudied. But now meaning you see goes something different. It is natural. You see. So if you go according to this so it may deceive you. Disgruntled. Means sad. Dissatisfied. impecunious, like you see here. So pecunious is the word, but usually not used. So impecunious is very common. It means having little or no money. Having little also having the meaning same. Having little or no money. Impecunious. His condition is impecunious, means he is pauper. He is having no money. Impudent. What is showing no respect for other persons. That insolent. Another word you may find. It means having or showing no respect for another person. Some persons are impudent. So this is adjective. Like incessant. It means unpleasant, continuing without pause. Like nowadays you are suffering. Unpleasant things. Continuing without pause. That is continuous, running on. Like you see that incognito, like private browser. Private browser. The word you might have heard, indolent. So dolent is not any word. Indolent means that dull. Like you see here, indelible. Mark that can't be removed. Like a mark that can't be removed. That is indolent. Like you see here, inept. So it doesn't mean negative. Now see, the meaning is clumsy, having no skill. In this way, inert. The word is coming, that inert, and that inertia is noun. Lacking the ability or strength to move. Inert. Inimical. What is coming? Inimical. Tending to harm something or somebody. That is inimical. Or abstract. You see, iniquitous. Quit or QUI, this is QUI. TOUS, thus. Iniquitous, grossly unfair, fair. Gross compound, LY, completely unfair, or total immoral, unfair or immoral. Iniquitous, this is. Now, innocuous. Innocuous. No harmful or offensive. In Hindi we say it ubau. Like this nowadays, actually, these all classes are innocuous. If we run it longer, it will be innocuous. Having no harm or having no harm or not offensive, that is innocuous. Insipid, like you see here, that is dull. Having no energy. Now sitting and sitting, just we are turning insipid. Invincible. Like too powerful to be defeated. Like now we can't think that China is too powerful to be defeated. It means China is not invincible. Invincible is ajay, that can't be defeated. So now it has been proved. Uncouth, what is coming? Sound is couth, uncouth. Uncouth means lacking good manners. Lacking good manners. Like one word, incongruous. Means that has no harmony, that doesn't suit properly. Like if you put on shoes with evening dress, looks incongruous. So boots with evening dress are incongruous, not in harmony, that doesn't match, not in proper harmony. You see. So these all the words, actually my purpose is only to make you alert that if you find out the word, you should try to go to dictionary. Dictionary may tell you or ask the teachers concerned. You may not rely on all the techniques we bring to you usually. And the last is untoward. TOWARD, untoward, mean unexpected. Like you see this Corona period is untoward, unexpected. Nobody thought. So it came unexpected. Or like this is now inconvenient. Inappropriate, and so on. So these all were some false claims to make you alert that whenever you find a word, try to find out its meaning, looking into the dictionary or asking the teacher. This is all about the class for today. If I find something more or better for you, I'll bring it next thanking you watching me for today.